HydroBead is an in-tank toilet treatment that claims to reduce lime scale and keep toilet bowls cleaner for longer, even if you have hard or well water. It uses ingredients like baking soda, citric acid, SDS, and EDTA, so despite some marketing, it's definitely not chemical-free. The product is designed to fit most toilets and is supposed to be easy to install, which is a plus if you just want something low maintenance. In practice, though, its effectiveness seems limited. The ingredients are quite mild, so it's unlikely to make a big difference if you have heavy mineral buildup or serious hard water issues. Some of the claims about chemical-free water treatment are scientifically inaccurate, so don't expect a miracle solution. There are also some transparency and trust concerns. The company only offers email support, no phone number or physical address. Marketing also raises questions. Some product and customer images look AI generated, and real customer reviews are hard to find or appear manipulated. Trustpilot shows a 2.9 rating with only 2 reviews, and there are reports that negative reviews have been deleted or that scores were faked. Overall, HydroBead might help a little for light, everyday toilet maintenance, but it doesn't seem reliable for tackling tough hard water or heavy lime scale. If you have serious mineral buildup, you probably need something stronger or more proven.